G'day guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayla and we are back with more SB19's Damn related content. I am loving this song. Can't wait for Saw to come out. And did you see that they what was it, last night, dropped the track list for the EP? So excited for it. But yes, so in this video we're going to be reacting to the current 5 videos that SB19 have put out for the making of Damn. But yes, these are decent enough of a length, so we're just going to try and get straight through these and see how this amazing track came to be. And if you haven't seen these yet, just a heads up, it just starts straight up. I just don't want you to be startled. And hopefully it's not too loud and you can hear me fine. Alright, let's go.
Sobrang nakaka-pressure kasi itong Damn, sa totoo lang.
Jay! Training!
Yung weakness na pinapalakas namin, pinapa-strengthen namin is hindi yung flesh, kundi yung soul na namin. Pagiging warrior talaga.
Running through drills. You got it, Chaha.
Hanggat hindi natatapos yung isang project, hindi ako makapagpahinga, hindi rin ako makatulog ng maayos. Kasi
you work so hard,
parang may
Jay.
utang ako sa sarili ko na kailangan kong bayaran.
This is the biggest comeback ever.
I'm so excited.
Ano ba kanya?
Guest artist.
Long V or short V?
Long version na para kompleto. Para masaya. Same lang naman, diba?
Like just the beat alone is just pure fire. Like it's just, oh, I'm not gonna get started. I'll talk forever.
Grabe yun. Ganda nung pasok nung
wedding.
Nung napakinggan ko yung Damn, marami siyang transition tsaka dynamics eh. So parang na-imagine ko talaga noon, maraming mangyayari.
Alam mo yung yung paglalabanin yung ano,
Sabong parang
yung parang dalawang tao, parang
Tapos yung translate na ibang feel din.
kaya,
Pas parang ano siya, parang hip-hop na 70s style na ano.
yung sarap niya masarap sayawin. Parang
Gusto ko yung variation. Actually, nagawan ko na agad siya nung nakuha ko siya.
Nung narinig
May
ka na agad.
dadagdag pa kasi ako mga choir. Kasi na-feeling ko pwedeng mga
Parang
ganun
chanting
likod,
nasa
oh.
likod.
Parang ano talaga, as in, parang final battle. Pagdating naman sa recording ng song na Damn, this time kasi sobrang organized ng team namin.
So
I
handsome.
guess, pero hindi siya naging madali eh. Siyempre, naging mas meticulous pagdating sa pag-record, sa pag-edit, sa pag-collate ng lahat para ma-release ng the best.
Bakit ba nagaganto? Dapat level sa crowd. Or dapat nga mas mababaw pa nga yung crowd eh.
Matapos yung ano, basta parang lawak niya.
They think of everything.
Sobrang lakas ng crowd eh.
Crowd na dapat.
oo.
Bakit ba?
Parang yung pasok
Like,
nung
like just the thinking of the crowd. Like I know they love doing this and they do think of 18 quite, but to be kind of like what Queen did with We Will Rock You. I couldn't remember for a second. Like, they wanted to get the audience something to do, you know? And that's kind of what Ken's kind of thinking on the same wavelength there. Like, that part is kind of, you know, where 18 can be extremely loud. So, that's so cool. I like that.
Gagawin niya yung support dapat yung ano ko.
Excited ang lahat dahil nga panibagong awit, panibagong EP. So, panibagong aral, panibagong matututunan na naman.
Na-imagine ko na, nafe-feel ko na maraming mangyayari sa sayaw.
Look at Stella in his little Crocs. So cute. Is that a, hang on a minute. Is that an anime jacket? Because I saw Sailor Moon on the side of it. 1 second. Josh is wearing an anime jacket. And I want the jacket. So we've got Sailor Moon. What can I... Dragon Ball Z, is it? I can't tell. Anyway, getting distracted.
Mas bat ba? So yung bat ba, bigla siyang susulpot. Sobrang nakaka-pressure yung part na yun. Dapat medyo weird siya. Sa sobrang inis na inis ko kasi wala na akong maisip. Parang na akong nagtatantrum sa loob-loob ko. Parang nakakainis naman to. Tapos pa-play ko na naman. Hanggang sa nainis na ako, parang naisip ko yung parang bata na hindi binigyan ng laruan. Nagtantrums ako sa mall, tapos gumaganon-ganon ako. Yung parang, yung ganon. So parang ganon yung feeling. So parang naging ganon siya, bat ba?
With the choreography, sobrang pinagtuunan ng pansin ni Kuya Jay.
Parang sinabi niya ng kalawa, kanan. So parang pinapakita yung...
I love that we're getting into the minds of everyone that helped on this.
Yung peacock symbolism din siya ng rebirth. May papasok ba natin?
Binalik ko yung mga old school.
Kripo, saka break.
Yung gano'n, yung mga gano'n sila, pinapalibutan nila SB. Sa mga may win-worship, parang gano'n, SB yun. Yung pinaiikutan nila. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa mga ibang games, pero may mga tinry akong games. Hindi ko alam kung makakatulong ba siya sa akin o hindi. Tinatry ko na lang, baka kasi makatulong. Later on, dun mo na lang siya na nare-realize na, itong part pala na to. Dun siya inspired sa na nilaro ko. Si Pablo, yung gumanon siya sa likod ng dancer, gumanon siya. Kusa siyang na-apply kasi nga, binuhay ko nga yung sarili ko dun sa parang nasa loob ako nung game.
Look at Bareface Ken. Naturals. See? A complete team.
Nasa ako yung asim ko. Maangat eh.
Yes, it's challenging for us din kung paano namin siya kailangan i-absorb and paano i-sync as one.
Medyo kaya pinagpakakita yun.
Gagawin kong bata.
Like in Assassin's
Hindi
Creed.
kailangan na masundan mo mismo yung detalye, but of course, masync mo yung emotion, yung proper execution, dapat nandun siya.
Mag-explore, mag-take ng risk,
at him
maraming sacrifices. So, dun, yun yung
Oh,
mahirap.
Jaja. Oh no. This is too familiar.
Naku, wala na to. Hindi ko na to kaya. Kasi yung dulo na dila ko kahapon yun. Feeling ko di mo pa nasasagad yung
You
sakit.
need
Kakalabanan
sugar.
mo talaga yung ginawa mo kahapon.
It's so cool seeing them run through it. Careful, Josh, she's delicate.
Pagka pinanood mo yung dance, storytelling din siya. Makikita mo yung elements nung mismong music dun sa mismong choreography.
Like the raw vocals. I just want to be in like rehearsals for that. It's not an easy choreography. It's like it's really fast.
May sigaw kasi hindi kayo dun eh. Hindi kayo sinisigaw eh.
That's it for today. In-end.
Nagtitraining kami, nagpapalakas kami. Kasi sa totoong buhay, seryoso, nakakapagod talaga yung dam.
Yes, it is. You can see that.
Pero dahil sa training at paulit-ulit siyang ginagawa, mas nagiging natural na lang siya. So, ang challenge doon is, ready ka bang mag-commit?
And that's the thing. It's not just taking a toll on the members, but, you know, W3 as well, Jay as well. You know, Jay's the one that has to teach it to W3, and then they got to show it to SB19, and SB19 have to learn it, and then they have to do it together. And it's just, it is very repetitive, because you got to do it so often, it becomes, you know, just a second movement to you. It's nothing. The moment you hear it, it's like to turn it into muscle memory. You know, where you could be completely zoned out in your head, but you're doing every single move right. So it really is repetitive. You got to do it multiple times. It's not like, okay, we got through it without messing it up. Cool, we're done for the day. All right, again and again and again and again. It's like military style training, but with dance. You know, in the military, they do the same training, and it's like, okay, all right, great, do it again. So it's just again and again and again and again. It's so repetitive, and every single one of them is doing absolutely amazing, and should be so proud of the work they've put in to get the result that they have. Or how it would be on your feet. Is
yung
his
emotion
ankle
na kailangan
okay?
ng choreography, nandun siya, and kailangan mo siyang ma-deliver ng maayos. Yung chorus talaga niya, sobrang something na masarap niya ulit-ulitin.
Para kami mga warrior, mandirigma, kumbaga. So kaya yung ganun, bago sumugod yung kalaban sa kampo, may mga kawal munang pupunta sa harap para salubungin yung kaaway. Bago nyo marating ang SB19, kami muna babanggain niyo.
Those hips movements and that flip, like, oh my lord. Something I didn't mention when I did watch the choreography video of this was with Ken, right? You can see on the ground there's markings. Now I'm assuming that's to let them know what they need to know. But Ken stopped right on that first bit of tape. So like, this is how accurate they have to be. You could be, potentially just a couple centimeters or a millimeter off could throw it off and put you out of time. So this is why it's so important to be in time and where you need to be, and with the right amount of space between each of you, because you don't want to hit each other. You don't want to, if you mess up, you can quickly recover. You don't want to be like messing up the person beside you, but like behind you. Like it's so much going through. And then on top of that, they got to remember to enjoy it and smile. Jesus. Stell's hair is so fluffy. Hello, gorgeous. Look at them, all sweaty.
Nagda-dance practice kami.
Oy, first take lang yun ha. The best take na yun.
Kasi simula at wakas nga, kinolek ko yung movement ng mga dating songs. Langon pa sa tug-tug-tug. Ano to eh? What? May part sa what na merong ganito. Yung tug-tug-tug, yaw! Ano yun eh? Feeling yun ng Gentod before eh. Na Gento!
May story lahat, hindi lang siya ginawa yung step na to para lang masabi, mukhang maangas to, hindi ganun. Talagang meron siyang meaning, every detail, encrypted siya sa lyrics with the dumb choreography. Parang nafe-feel ko siya talaga kung paano ko pinapakinggan and paano ko na-absorb yung music itself. Ganun din yung nafe-feel ko every time I perform the choreography.
Matagal-tagal na din ako sa industry na nagtuturo ng mga artista. Hindi sila nananatiling ganun. Gusto nila nag-i-step up para na silang athletes.
Yeah.
Alam nila na the more na nagsisik pa sila ng mangyayari sa buhay nila, mas marami pa silang haharapin, mas marami pang struggle, mas marami pang challenges. Nakakapagod kantahin, nakakapagod din siya sayawin. Pero pag pinagsabay mo yung nakakapagod sayawin, tsaka nakakapagod kantahin, talagang pagod na pagod ka na nun.
So I heard, I'm not a singer, so I don't know if this is accurate, but I did hear from while watching The Voice Australia, Kelly Rowland was a coach, and I think she mentioned that to help her with her singing and dancing at the same time, what she does is she runs on a treadmill and sings at the same time. So then she gets used to moving at a fast pace and singing, but keeping her breath. So if they don't already do that, that's something they could try. Just some help.
Pero sila, pinakita nilang kaya namin, kuya. May mga parts na nakakahingal na, nakakapagod na, tapos namumutla na. Kumbaga may mga ganon. Ngayon ko lang siya na-experience sa harap ko. Hindi lang isang beses, kundi kada training. Hindi sila maarte. Yun lang. Thank you sa lahat ng nakasama sa lahat ng journey. At lalo na sa mga 18 na sumuporta.
I do want to say thank you to Jay, because, you know, it does look cool, but as, you know, Jay said, Stell said, there is a reason they're doing each movement. So, thank you for your dedication and the fact that you literally put your heart and soul, blood, sweat and tears into a choreography to make sure that you give SB19 the best and some of the most creative of you. So thank you, Jay, as well, because it's one thing to give SB19 this killer choreography, but you're like, you do it where even people who don't have much dance experience or are very, you know, what's the word? You know, they don't dance, they can't, or they believe they can't, but even they can try this choreography, because even though it's up there on this, you know, on such a high level of creativity and skill, even the most basic of dancers can feel like they achieve something when they do this. So thank you for thinking about everyone, Jay. Alright, straight on to the next one. This one is the character styling. Ooh.
Na-excite ako kasi buong-buo yung konsepto, alam yung gustong mangyari, alam yung hinihingi.
Oh, I turned it off. Oh, there isn't any. Okay. That makes sense. It broke! She broke it. You just need some glue, it's fine.
The biggest comeback of SB19. I want to give value to something I know mahalaga sa boys. Yung Team Rain XM has always been very supportive of the SB19 related projects. Kinonta ko agad yung mga trusted designers natin, yung mga suppliers natin. Team Francis Liberan, Team Neric Beltran, minessage ko sila. Ang daming taong nagtulungan, nagsanib puwersa. Okay, I always ask for feedback. For instance, si Stell, kailangan medyo ice yung dating niya. Pero kailangan magaang, nasasayaw, nakaka-acting. Actually, for everyone, kailangan ganun yung requirement.
Yan yung pinatang or this one?
Parang ito.
Okay, nanalo yung gusto.
Iniisip ko, kung magkikape tayo, i-full na natin.
See?
Ngayon ko
They're
lang
over
natin.
everything.
Makapag-half ka,
Every single
baka
detail.
magmukhang Prince Eric.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige,
Okay na ako dun sa full.
Prince
Larry
Eric.
thought of using PET bottles ng mineral water to create the ice-like effect. Pumartner siya kay Sandino Martin, is an artist. Art dapat yung atake, di ba? Since it's part of the brand Bible.
Yun yung magaan kasi.
Oo.
Na hindi
mahirap
gumamit ng glass kasi mabigat siya.
At saka parang gumaganon yung tela.
Yeah.
Oo, so kailangan may gaang talaga siya.
Ano ka naman, galaw?
Same thing with the black version. If you look at it closely, napag-usapan namin, yung parang tumutulong oil. Ang ganda nung nabuo na texture nung,
look like oil.
nung ganong practice. And most of all, nakasayaw si Stel, naka-acting siya, nakahiga siya sa nagawa niya lahat yung gusto niyang gawin.
Yun nga, halimbawa, naka-zoom kasi siya. At least kapag mas malapit yung camera, kita din yung lalim. Malabo. May puti. Pero yung isa, hindi talaga makakita.
Contacts.
Wala, hindi ko nakikita kayo magja-judge. Sobrang dumi ng tenga. Nilupa.
The beadwork na ginawa nila Francis, parang I like that it is strategically placed. Kailangan nga magmukhang scholar.
Looks amazing.
Naglagay kami ng parang mga tassel ng toga.
Yung ginagana yung nililipat, pang-bowl ng protina.
Yes. Para, halimbawa may action siya na ganyan, may tassel dito. For that scholar.
Si Justin, super clear siya sa directions na binigay niya sa akin.
Mas texture, ay parang mas ganito po siguro. Ano ba?
Magaspang.
Parang feel ko po kasi sa tela po ito, medyo
Such beautiful fabric.
Gusto mo magkaroon siya ng old feel.
Yung mga leaves nung damit ni Justin were also made out of PET bottles. They painted each and every single leaf. Meron siyang requirement na kailangan may mata yung likod nung damit niya.
Diba? Ang ginawa lang namin, yung cape, doon namin nilagay yung mata.
Oo, dito sa pinaka-back. Because yun ang pinaka-highlight makikita agad.
Sabi ko, paano natin aatahin yung beadwork nito? Kailangan may iba. Hindi siya pwede magmukhang beadwork ng bridal gown.
Oo, feeling ko dapat hindi beads.
Baka wooden beads.
Parang kung pwede natin gawin ng mas organic.
I really like it because it felt so organic. The vines were sprawling around Justin's body. It was thoughtfully done as well.
Beautifully done.
Comfy naman siya.
Ang ganda ng fabric, no? And it looks so expensive. Yung mga na-challenge ako, yung kay Pablo.
Yeah, they all looked extremely expensive.
Pwede rin mo. Oo.
Kasi yung character ko Wolf King pero...
Wolf! Oo nga pala.
Para siyang Wolf King. He needed to look like a warrior na may pinagdaanan na. So the challenge for us really was, how do we make the costume look as real as possible na yung mga sugat, yung mga punit, parang we wanted it to look and feel natural.
At yung pinagdaanan niya, it should be executed. Na mukhang may pinagdaanan talaga siya.
Especially with outfits that are so multi-layered, you want it to look good, but not be heavy, because fabric can be very heavy. So it is, you got to make sure you pick the right fabrics. You got to make sure they're breathable, because the last thing you want is them overheating in it, because you don't need heat stroke. So this part is actually probably, in my opinion, can be the most important, because they need to be able to move in it. They need to be able to, keep a good body temperature. But it needs to look exactly of how they picture it in their head. So it's, the wardrobe had a very difficult job, but like the pros that they are, with the talents that they have, look what they gave us. You know, with the, you know, with what SB19 was saying, like, I want this and I want this and I want this. Alright, we've got these fabrics, let's see what we can create. And we got this stuff. So it's just like, the talent just in this team at Onesie in general just blows my mind every time I see something new come out of it. Like, it's just...
We both elements.
Pinaghihila siya to create that natural tattered effect.
For fantasy, we go with the hoppers. Oo.
Meron pang team na pumunta abroad to buy the raw materials for that, just to achieve that natural finish that we wanted. And nung na-finish na yung outfit ni Pablo, ang ganda-ganda niya. Mukha talaga siyang parang from that era. And si Sandino, he had an idea na parang lagyan si Pablo ng parang nakapoke na arrow doon sa may shield niya.
Hindi siya natatanggal?
It felt natural and it felt like it was really part of the narrative na may pinagdaanan siya. Yung beadwork na nandoon sa obi belt ni Pablo,
wow, look!
It was shaped like a wolf. Yung kay Josh, nahirapan din ako kasi again, ano siya, parang God of Thunder, lightning. How do I communicate that? Hindi kay Agnes.
Sabi ko yung gloves mo, matatapos siya at some point na maganda na haluan siya ng prosthetics. Para mukhang na-Agnes talaga yung... Hindi lang siya gloves na ginano na mukhang decaying.
Para siyang body part.
Oo, magtutuloy siya talaga to prosthetic.
Parang nakuryente ng copper wire, nasunog.
Itim na itim siya, pero habang bumababa siya, itong buong laylayan, bronze na siya.
Oo, para doon din yung makommunicate din yung decay.
Iya-agnas din ata nila yung mukha.
Yung face mo.
Po, pwedeng nakaharang na. Para kung wala, so, kung umpisa man, hindi agad makikita na agnas yung buong mukha.
Lumutong yung damit. Yung we wanted to get that feel. So sila Neric painted that and used copper foil.
Wow.
Pinlansya siya one by one to achieve that natural finish. Even the gloves.
Wow.
Yung book lang. Yung mahawak yung sword.
I wanted it to function. Ayoko lang ng gloves na parang sinuot. Ang hiningi ko doon sa gumagawa, gusto ko bawat finger, pag ginanon-ganon mo siya, kasi si Josh mahilig siyang maggawa ng action sa face niya.
The red eyes.
Using his hands. Joint per joint, layer per layer, in-achieve talaga yon. Kaya na nagkasugat-sugat na yung kamay ni Josh, yung I'm glad he was a trooper, the foil treatment done by Francis doon sa navy blue suit.
Looking good there, Joshy.
Nice.
Damn.
I love how he translated it in the form of streaks and parang paint treatment. Sa medyo mahirap, yung kay Ken, kasi parang it was inspired by a crow. So siya mismo yung nag-sketch nun. And from his sketch, dinevelop namin nila Neric, nila Francis. We were very specific about the kind of leather we use. Gusto namin yung may worn out feels na rin, yung mukhang may pinagdaanan at ginamit na.
Ito yung darkest na maroon.
Ito yung darkest na may itim-itim siya pag
itim na siya. Diba? Yung lalabas lang yung red niya. Diba?
Pwede naman.
Pero ang base niya kasi pag
we like to place details na parang may mga kalmot ng crow doon sa cape niya. From a bird, naging tao siya. For it to look like as if it was inspired by royalty and hindi siya inspired by some Eastern influence fashion. So they went for shape, structure, yung cutting. Kahit na iba-iba sila
European
na colors, it felt cohesive.
I
Para silang iisa pa rin. Iba-iba siya. Iba-iba yung suot nila. Pero together,
Look at
parang
that.
they look like they came from the same era. They came from the same collection. And that was all intentional. Hindi naman
They look like they're from a movie.
Basta. Next look naman natin is yung mga robes. Ang gusto nila doon, medyo parang dune. Sand dunes, inspired by the desert. Itodo na natin. So we did it using patchwork. The patterns were made one by one. It was stitched together. Ginupit isa-isa ng squares using different fabrics. I wanted it to flow as well. So imagine doing it ×5. I really love how it turned out. Especially the part nung naging bato na sila, naging statues na sila. We did a good job. Yung, hey, this is art. Na-achieve namin yung goal. Siyempre, ito na naman tayo sa sayawan.
It is art.
Kailangan. Ang number one criteria is
Be proud of yourself.
maisasayaw. Yung how do I make an outfit look dynamic. Sa lahat ng outfit na binuo, dito kami natagalan. Because we want to be as faithful to the era they were in. We really studied eras during the medieval times.
Yeah.
Saka ganda ng textures niya kasi patchwork yung... Saka magaan, diba?
And that's the thing, they got to test that they can move in it. One rip could set them back, you know?
Gusto namin yung may chainmail na ano, pero paano nila maisasayaw yung chainmail? Thankful ako that we decided to source abroad. And I was so happy that when I saw them dancing, ang ganda, parang sulit yung pagod. And the black and maroon treatment, that was a request from the boys. They really wanted that color. In our 16 years in the industry, I will really consider it as one of the most difficult projects we've ever tackled. I wanted to be seen. I wanted to be felt by the five senses. That would last forever, a legacy. I am proud of my team. You create a fantasy.
Like, look what you
create
did.
a storyline. You create an aspiration. We went all out for this because I wanted to give value to the vision of the world, because I know this is important to them.
Like, I just want to go back just a little bit. Right here. Right here. Like, each of them, look, like it's their style. It matches their character that they were going after for the music video. But they still look like a group. Look how Josh is looking again. I look at him like that too. But like, it's just amazing. Like, the wardrobe team, like, claps for you. Like, it just, they look amazing. So handsome. Obviously, you know that man on the end there. I'll keep those thoughts to myself. Alright, moving on. Oh, concept is next. Go.
Every release before has been true to their characters. So, kapag ibabalik natin kung sino sila before and ipasok natin sa dam, since sobrang nag-connect lahat. Dito siya. Dito yung statue.
It really is like a comic book. Like, you have to draw each
Basically,
scene.
Dam is Pablo's dream. Literally Pablo's dream.
He dreamt it.
Ang taas ng pressure, lahat kami ganado to really perform. Gusto namin ng mahabang planning. Gusto namin ng pulidong planning and may time for the artistry to grow.
And pinagbigyan tayo.
And pinagbigyan talaga. Sobrang grateful kami doon. And yung amount of creative freedom, natatranslate ko ng maayos in terms of the logos, in terms of the look, the colors. Kasi yung songwriting na mismo na ilalatag niya sa akin. And sobrang na-appreciate namin yun as artists kasi we get to see the intention behind the music. Nata-translate namin dun sa visual that
when you, in my opinion, as an artist, when you want to do these really creative things in music videos, it's so great when you take those people in behind the music, not just into, but behind the music, why you wrote this line, why you did this and why you did that. It just sets those people up to succeed. Otherwise they're kind of left guessing and then they have to ask questions. So it's like Pablo gave them all the information they needed and then went, go be creative and bring it back to me. So he really set, from the start, he set everyone up to succeed. That's why it's so important that, you know, communication is, you know, a priority, and just goes to show just how kind of he comes across, like Pablo, that he's just a natural leader. You know, because that's what leaders do. They set up the team to succeed, and that's what he did by taking them in behind the lyrics of Damn, you know.
Na pinoproduce namin ngayon for Damn. Let's make sure everything connects, everything snaps in, so people would think and people would look back to everything that they have released before. And we have Alan, she as a director.
Who's been working with them?
Has been working with them
since what?
Since what?
Actually, since the trailer of Ikalawang Yugto. It's always been Alanchi.
So Alanchi, Carlo, it's been the same team. That's why it feels like home. One of the challenges pa was sa creative direction part was the wardrobe. Kasi since it's medieval, it requires so much attention to detail. That's why good thing we have the best of the best. Like literally right now here, sila Miss Rain, sila Francis Libiran, sila Neric Beltran.
Dun sa briefing pa lang, ang sabi nila is, ito na guys, welcome back. Kasi since tayo rin yung gumawa ng pagtatag pa. So, parang sabi nila na this is the 3rd chapter. We have to conduct an interview with them, like a discovery session with the members to really get to know what they want to tell.
Yung seed, parang mahihigitan niya sa ganda. So, for example,
look at Kenny at the end there being his creative.
How do you higitan yun? Tatanim ka, may puno. Period siya, di ba? But it's also a seed that you can...
He's so good at multitasking, Ken.
More heights, and at the same time, you're able to inspire people.
Is he decorating the car?
So parang ang initial nilang brief is, it's medieval, and then sacrifice.
One of the challenges pa was it requires so much attention to detail.
Okay?
Alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So it makes everything easy in terms of visually kasi nagpo-provide sila ng gusto nila. Na-appreciate namin si Stella.
So much work, you know, for everyone.
Sobrang laki na ng tinulong niya sa story.
Yung character niya, kasi sabi niya, I would like to suggest na sana may dalawang character ako.
You can see I have 2 personalities din, which is the good and bad still. So yung good, technically, siya yung nakakulong doon sa loob ng mirror. And yung bad, siya yung parang nag-uudyok doon sa mga tao na parang pumilit pumasok nung mga layers namin. Parang puntahan yung magic
very
tree.
Gemini.
Yung bad still yung nagsasabi sa tao na parang they really need to go inside para makita and makuha yung fruit nung tree na yun.
Sa story natin sa Damn, if kailangan nilang buhayin yung tree, hindi nila magagawa yun nang wala si Stel. Kailangan pakawalan ni Stel yung sarili niya.
Oo.
Para makatulong siya sa grupo. Yun yung halos naging main plot ng Damn na music video.
Tsaka yung in terms of pagtatag, kasi diba, dugo din talaga ni Stel yung nakabuhay ng tree.
Actually, siya yung nagtanim.
Siya yung nagtanim, oo, sa Ikalawang Yugto. Basically, ganun siya ka-vital in terms of the entire universe.
Si Pao naman, yung contribution niya, bukod sa siya yung nagsulat ng song and all. Kumbaga, binigyan niya kami ng insight to ano ba talagang iniisip niya
Wow.
during na sinusulat niya yung song.
That needs to be a
So,
photo
sabi niya
card.
dun sa Discovery Session is, panaginip niya talaga yung dam. So, parang ang dream niya is nakatayo silang 5 sa isang dam.
Parang dulo.
Parang
cliff
dulo,
and
parang
dam.
cliff, oo. So parang kaya sa music video nilagyan namin siya ng parang cliff. Yung dam kasi may pinipigilan ka, di ba? Pinipigilan mo yung flow ng water.
Ang Wolf King, napakadami niya ng digmaang nilabanan. And dumating sa point na napapagod na siya sa mga laban-laban, sa digmaan. So, parang nagpahinga siya sa kanyang lair kung saan namalagi siya for many years. The ability niya is shadows. So, he's able to control the shadows. And so, syempre, hindi pwede sinaga ng araw kasi nga nandun na siya sa lair.
Basically, dam is Pablo's dream. Kasi panaginip niya talaga.
Panaginip niya
And natutuwa kami na napapanaginipan na yung boys kasama siya sa panaginip. And
Kaya kasama siya sa pangarap.
kasama sa pangarap.
He dreamt it all. Yeah.
And lahat dapat approve nila, lahat dadaan sa kanila. So parang, alam mo yun, the moment na may na-approve na talagang lahat sila on board doon.
Lahat-lahat kami sobrang alam na namin yung creative brief by heart.
Okay. It's better.
During meetings, si Josh, ang dami na talagang
Ang
suggestion.
dami niya. Siya yung pinakamadaming insight, suggestions.
There's a lot going on in his head, you know?
Siya yung pinaka ma-experience sa games tsaka sa mga medieval.
Basically, kung di ba, pag naglalaro ka ng mga MMORPG, RPG, di ba, meron mga classes. Nandun ako sa class na parang assassin or thief.
So gusto niya nang may power siya.
Nagkataon din na may powers ako kasi sabi ko gusto ko na may powers ako. And for this time, I wanted to be lightning. Matagal ko na kasi kung magkakaroon ako ng powers, is siguro yung lightning. It looks super cool, ganun. Pero,
Yeah, electricity.
and then nag-indicate din yung ibang parts ng katawan ko. Nag-feel na kami, in a way, and ako, dun sa mga nangyayari.
Yan, ang ganda niyan.
Pero syempre, minsan kasama lang yun sa challenges ng buhay natin. Hindi tayo syempre papayag na mahina tayo. It's just a bad day. Not a bad life.
Nung dinidirect ko siya kanina,
I need that on a t-shirt. Like, yesterday. It's a bad day, not a bad life. I need that on a damn t-shirt. A damn t-shirt.
na about sa isang post niya, sinabi ko lang yung certain, sabi ko mag-require din post ka from Dota. Alam niya na agad. So, yun yung thing about Josh kasi ang dali niya pumasok doon sa role niya ngayon.
Baliktad yung siksik ko. Baliktad? Marumi kasi ito eh.
Tapos sa meetings din naman, usually kasi si Ken, ang dal-dal niya talaga. Tapos siya yung tumatayo. Tapos parang sabi niya, alam ko yan, alam ko yung reference niya, alam ko yung ganyan.
Yung character ko sa music video is parang siyang warrior.
I have to pay attention to what he's saying.
Madami siyang pinagdaanan. He has a lot. One thing is parang troubled siya or anxious siya because of what happened sa war. So, that's why pag nakikita niyo sa music video, and that's...
He's so smart. No, but I think that's known as PTSD. When people stress out and get anxious about what they experienced during war. Also known as PTSD.
That's why yung character ko naging ganyan is because he wants to protect the tree. And of course, yun yung goal ng group.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start ka muna sa yuko, yuko ka muna. Yan. Okay.
sila Josh, si Ken, they know the material. Ultimo, pati yung details ng book, sinabi ni Ken na mas maganda yan pag may mga metal parts, pag ganito yung writing. As in, lahat sila may inputs to that very detail.
Every
kasi
single
sobrang
detail.
natutuwa kami kasi lahat ng ipoproduce namin, lahat ng ipaplano, ipapakita namin sa kanya visually, sobrang nagugustuhan niya, sobrang appreciative siya for it. And may inputs din talaga sila na what if ganito yung material na, what if ganito yung color.
Magsasend talaga siya ng photo, magsasearch siya.
Oo, as in real time, pag nakita niya, magsasend agad siya ng photos para lang to suggest. Hanggang makarating kami ngayon kasi I believe that the boys, SB19, alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So it makes everything easy in terms of visually. He represents the decisions of the group. Then
yung character ko naman dito sa Damn music video is very, sabi ko me, very me.
Very you.
Kita nyo naman nature ganyan, halahalaman. Blind ako pero I can see more than what the normal people can see. Parang ganun yung mensahe niya na hindi lang ako nakakita basta, but I can see what's beyond. And nakita ko nga kung ano yung solusyon dun sa problema, parang ganun. Ang role ko is, yung character ko ay isang researcher. Yun, even though I'm blind, I can see what's beyond.
From the past projects, ito talaga yung pinaka hands-on sila. Kasi sa lahat ng meeting, they make sure na nandyan silang lahat.
doon namin naramdaman na sobrang pina-prioritize na to. As in, sobrang binibigyan nila ng effort, binibigyan nila ng time. Basically, yung MV na to, ang taas ng value for them na they wanted they wanted to be as ambitious as possible. They wanted to be personal as possible. Sobrang naging madali because everybody is on board. As in, lahat kami it's on the single. As in, lahat kami in one page.
Sobrang ganda and sobrang happy ng boys sa kinalabasan.
Are we gonna see them reacting to the music video?
Lahat ng boys talaga may idea sila.
Speaking of the music
So
video,
as a director, kailangan ko ma-meet halfway kung anong gusto nila.
the acting skills. So happy with himself.
Let's go. Ready na?
Alam naman namin na it should be something na manggagaling din sa amin na ganito yung gusto namin mangyari. It should be clear from your end and especially from our end also. So we'll do our best para ma-explain sa inyo kung ano talaga yung gustong-gusto namin na mangyari.
They're all so creative. So much creativity.
Challenge for me is mabuo yung gusto nilang mangyari and ma-meet talaga yung expectations nila. So during naman siya shoot, kahit 2 days siya, parang marami talagang scenes na kailangan i-shoot and also maraming palit ng damit, lalo na yung kay Stel, kasi dual personality siya eh.
Ready for take and roll camera, music, and action, pasok yan. Dali.
Gusto namin ipahiwating din na parang importante talaga sa amin kasi gusto namin i-risk, i-sacrifice yung mga activities namin just to response.
One more, dikit nyo na yung music. Ganoon naman kami every era, syempre, ano namin, talagang pinaghahandaan namin na
I kind of get the feeling that SB19 are perfectionists. Does anyone else get that feeling? Maybe there's a little they're perfectionists? Because the thing is, they want to get it right, and they will stay there all night until they get it right. From the recording of the song to the characters and costumes to the choreography, filming the music video, they will stay there all night until they get it right. Perfectionists, I tell you. Beautiful, stunning perfectionists.
Higitan kung ano man yung mga nakaraan. Pero for this one, siguro matindi yung paniniwala namin about it. And personally ako, Binibigay ko rin talaga yung mabibigay ko para syempre mas magkaroon, kung ma-amplify pa kung ano yung dam ngayon.
Itong music video na to
I
is
love that
kakaiba
move. I'm sorry.
sa mga dating releases nila kasi hindi to yung kakanta talaga sila. More on ano talaga to story-driven, emotion-driven din siya. So basically, kung anong gusto kong emotions na ipoportray nila, nagagawa nila.
How's that?
Ganun ba na sigaw?
See?
Pinag-isipan talaga.
And they're willing to be directed. You know, it was always, how was that? And then they'll listen to the director or, you know, the team and just be like, try doing it more like this. And they're open to taking that feedback. That also what makes them so amazing. And you get the quality that you get too.
Lahat ng kailangan connected siya sa past releases din namin. So lahat ginawa siya with a reason. Kung i-try mo siya i-connect sa mga dating kanta namin, talagang meron siyang prequel tsaka may sequel.
I couldn't do it without laughing.
Sa Dam era talaga, sa simula at wakas, mas very collaborative sila kasi talagang gusto nila pagandahin yung era na to.
Parang hindi siya maganda pangalawagan.
Like, it's so hard to do this with a group because there's 5 men here who all have their own ideas about what it is that they're talking about, you know, their own feedback. They're like, how about this and this, and then, you know, some can clash. So this is just showing how much they do work in a team, in a group. You know, they take on what each one says and see if it works, and then they don't get in their feelings if it's not, because it's like, okay, it might not work for this, but let's keep that in the safe for laters. And we might be able to use it in something else down the track, you know? I can find candy even in the dark.
B-roll talaga na wala kami. So, di ba yung shots? Para mahaba kasi yung shots, di ba wala
Yun nga yung sa part ng kanta na parang paano hihigitan yung sagad na. So very pressure talaga yon. So parang ginagalangan talaga din nila when it comes sa pagko-collaborate sa amin.
Itong creativity ng era na to, madugo, literal. Literal na dugo, pawis at away. Bago nabuo yung concept nito. Kasi madami kaming meetings at creative process para napagkasunduan na ganito yung gagawin namin. Collaboration of, syempre, with us, 1032, and a lot of people.
A lot of opinions.
Naging ambitious kami again.
A lot of creativity.
Si Justin talaga yung parang sa grupo, siya talaga yung creative din talaga. So, pag siya nagsasuggest, pag siya nagbibigay ng like input niya din talaga, yung naisip ko din, mas nadadagdagan din ng flavor kasi parang nagkakaroon kami ng batuhan in a way.
So yung Dam na song itself, galing siya sa pakiramdam. And syempre, yung meaning, yung dam mismo rin na nagko-control sa tubig. Alam mo yung pag meron kang gustong gawin, pag nagawa mo na siya, may another ka na namang gustong gawin. So yung pakiramdam na yun...
Ito na yung na-summon mo. Successful na. Yeah, so i-ano mo lang, give your time.
Yung sinasabi rin nung buong simula at wakas. Pag natapos mo na yung sinimulan mo, magsisimula ka ulit ng panibago.
Tasha!
Tawag ng tanghal. Sagong. Sagong.
Kasi parang ang tagal na rin namin ulit nag-aral ng bagong choreography since Gento and Crimson and everything. Comeback siya. So parang dapat pag handaan talaga yung magiging choreography ng mismong song. So nung inaral namin siya, akala namin nung una na parang madali lang siyang aralin kasi well, sanay naman talaga kami mag-aral ng choreography. Pero iba na nung inaral namin eh, especially when Kuya Jay explained every detail, hinimay-himay niya yung steps talaga. Personally for me, naging challenging siya.
Freedom yet challenging at the same time, the choreography.
Yun. Wapo. Originally, yung parang concept or yung inspiration dito is a real dam, something like a reservoir kung saan mo iniipon yung tubig para may energy ka, meron kang resource pagdating kapag nawala ng kuryente or anything. In a way, yun din yung mga experiences mo in life, iniipin mo siya lahat. And there will be a time that you will use it kasi syempre, you have to use it kapag kailangan mo na. Walang hanggang pag gusto ng mga tao. So, in the end, parang tayo rin yung naghahanap ng answer sa lahat ng katanungan.
Yung pakiramdam na nahihirapan ka, nagsasuffer ka because you're wanting more. Wala pa yung done na music na song. Na-imagine na namin na yung magiging concept namin is basically ganito. So, actually, nauna pa yung concept bago yung kanta. Kakaiba yung setup namin ngayon.
Binibigay talaga namin yung buong passion namin para sa path na ito.
Lagi namin ginagawa yung best namin pagdating sa lahat ng bagay. Pero the question is, ano pa ba yung pwede namin maibigay for the people, for ourselves, to better ourselves? So, yun yung isa sa mga line na gustong-gusto ko kasi that question is something that's really hard to answer. But you will see the solution or yung sagot kapag ginawa mo ng certain thing. So, yun, pushing yourself to the limits.
Go home to bed. And what a music video it is. Environment. Man, this damn trailer. Just
ready ka na ba sa simula at wakas?
Turn my brain into scrambled egg.
Hindi pa siya masyadong ginagawa dito sa Pinas.
This is parang, it's super big.
Nakita ko sila how their brains work, how they create an idea.
we really want to send a message to all of the listeners.
It's definitely much bigger.
Be ready, Ange. This is parang, it's super big. Kumapit ako, gaano kalaki siya ganon. Kaya sabi ko, kaya ba? Kasi this is the first time na gumawa ako ng ganito kalaking set. As in, parang hindi ko rin inaasahan na kaya ko pala. So, yun.
This time, yung set and props namin, mostly ginawa talaga siya from scratch. Yung concept ng dam kasi is, ang hirap maghanap ng naturally ganun na siya. Usually sa music videos namin, pupunta talaga kami sa mga lugar kung saan makukuha namin yung hinahanap namin na vibe or yung dating talaga ng lugar. Punta kami ng kuweba, lumang mga bahay.
Nung pumunta kami dito para
Probably the only way they could have would have been to look in parts of Europe, but it'd be too expensive to rent those spaces.
Late November, minessage ako ni Ate IC. Sabi niya, Nico, ready ka na ba sa simula at wakas? So wala pang 1 minute nag-yes na ako. Tapos after that, dire-diretso na yung brainstorming meetings namin to get ready for preparing to pitch para sa music video.
You want it like windy, like foggy windy?
Doon talaga yung nasa isip ko.
Yeah, okay.
Gusto mo maglagay ka pa na isa pang scaffold, tapos malalaglag.
Josh.
Yung dito, yung parang may lightning emerald.
Hindi, ano yan eh? As in Hogwarts.
Seven Sins hoodie.
Crown if ever. Tapos,
Notes natin.
I tried so hard to get that damn hoodie.
tingnan nga natin.
I love seeing how all of this has come together.
Let's go!
Bukas na ang pagsimula.
Let's go. Ready na? Sure ka?
Lahat ng tao na nakapaligid sa'yo na parang doon pa lang sa creative deck. Grabe nung sinend sa akin yung ni IC na sabi ko, IC, nung binabasa ko siya,
Everything.
nagtetel ng
Everything
story.
from
Tapos parang
scratch.
kinikilabutan ako kasi sabi ko, shucks, ano
Wow.
to? Parang pagka nabasa mo yung ganong parang brief, gusto ko siya ma-experience. Tapos gusto ko makita kung kaya talaga na magawa natin.
I-N. 18.
80-I-N to?
Oo, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Alphabet.
So for this project, mas naging close ko kasi yung 5 due to meeting halos every day with them. I worked kasi with them for the past few years na rin, pero hindi ganito ka dikit sa opinions nila, 'di ba? Na minsan kasi I'll work with them pero yung ideas naka-hash out na for me, na ready to go, ready to execute na lang. Pero first time kasi ito sa Dam na from the start, from the birth pa lang ng idea, involved na kaming lahat all together. Lahat ng ideas tinatapon lang during the meeting. Minsan sobrang tagal na ng meeting pero bagong ideas pa rin ng bago. Tapos minsan kapag tapos na yung meeting, palabas na lalapit si Ken, "Oh, Miko, actually maganda din to."
In terms of music video, yung production nito ngayon, it's definitely much bigger.
Ganun din sila ka-excited, which is very motivational for us, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Nakita ko sila how their brains work, how they create ideas.
Bakit ba nagkaganto ang daming tukso? Di kailangan tumakbo, dito lang ako. Kasalanan kong lahat ng to lang kumpay sa paggusto.
Sobrang ganda kasi ng ideas na binabato ng lahat ng kasama sa prod. So, ayokong i-limit sila sa hindi kaya. So for this music video, I forced myself din na mag-aral ng bagong software na mas advanced, mas kaya ng kailangan. Sobrang laki ng risk na tinitake namin.
amazing.
So at first, from the idea to sketch, to asking, to meeting, to meet halfway, kung paano ba siya,
that's
kung paano siya
the hard part, the middle ground.
Height, kung gaano kalaki.
Especially if you've got someone who doesn't want to budge.
So for me, nung una nag-sketch ako, and then we asked kung hanggang saan yung limit.
As in, sobrang tagal kasi ng back and forth namin ni Ange specifically. Tapos sobrang, parang ang daming restrictions. So parang nag-resort kami to 10 steps.
10 steps.
Which means na maglaland yung problem sa akin na magiging mas marami.
Mas marami yung i-extend mo.
So, sa final output, paano siya magmumukhang never-ending? So, hindi lang sa taas ko i-extend, pati sa baba, underneath the floor ko i-extend.
So, parang in between si Ken.
Nasa gitna yung build ni Ate Ange. Tapos we decided, kapag kailangan ni Ken maglakad ng matagal, pag lapit na niya sa 10th step, bababa na lang ulit siya, tapos maglalakad na lang ulit.
Had to build the rest of the staircase.
What happened then before that was, di ba kailangan natin in a way end officially yung pagtatag era? So, in-incorporate natin yung concept of yung sa concert yung pagtatag 3. Lalagay natin yung story niya sa MV para lang may period na talaga yung story na yun. Di ba? Kasi yung ginawa kong visuals sa pagtatag finale concert was the tree.
Yeah, the golden tree.
And naisip natin na pwede din siyang visuals for Dam para lang matahe from what pa lang eh. Diba? Yung pagtanim ng puno sa pagtatag nag-bloom. Tapos dito sa simula at wakas, yung kwento ng talagang wakas. Yung ending ng story ng puno is
yung
bearing of fruit.
Na apple.
So, medyo nag-brainstorm tayo na matagal dun. Para mabuo yung kwento from the start. Ange and Miko magic yun. Kung paano from practical tree, CGI tree, na mukhang totoo and mukhang magical, mukhang touching, mukhang puno, mukhang
yes, it does.
Na connected pa rin doon sa pagtatag na tree.
Flip mo na yung face siya. Yan. Yan! Chaotic na!
That's not real flames, is it?
Happy birthday.
Think so.
Ito yung frame talaga.
Yun yung frame.
Someone spilled their drink. Taxi! Need to go home.
For me, ako nga, sabi ko palagi, kahit sobrang hirap niyan, gagawin ko yan. Gagawin ko talaga yung 100% best. Alam yan ng everyone. Parang kailangan kong patunayan na kaya ko. So, eto na yun na parang sabi ko, sana nagustuhan nila. And then, sana nagustuhan siya ng SB19. And sana magugustuhan siya ng 18.
We love it. 18 love it.
Working boys. And other than that, matagal na akong VFX
You did an amazing job.
Parang palagi akong may kailangan pang patunayan or iaangat ko pa yung last na ginawa ko. Kaya hindi ko talaga gustong sayangin yung opportunities na ganito, na something as grand as this. Kaya talagang in all out, 120% talaga ako dito.
Very Alice in Wonderland, The Wall of Mirrors.
Yung kaya namin. Kasi
Alice through the Looking Glass.
Proud na talaga kami sa ginawa namin.
Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung music video ng Dam and the song itself. Kasi pinag-effortan namin yun and we really want to send a message to all of the listeners and we want to inspire people. So sana po ay masuportahan nyo, pakinggan nyo and ma-inspire kayo sa ginawa naming kanta at music video.
It's just amazing. Stuff they did. Wow. It's so cool that they've given us this, you know, these videos of how each thing came to be. And I've taken in so much information that I can't think of any words to describe the brilliantness and creativity of Damn. Like, this is just the one single itself. What's the rest of Saw gonna be like? You know? And I'm so excited that I'm on the ride to see, you know? I don't even like roller coasters. But here we are. On a roller coaster. The creativity and hard work from everyone, you know, from the members of SB19 to wardrobe, hair and makeup, dancers, the people that built the sets. Like, it's just brilliant how it all came together, and it came together, even though it was a lot of hard work and a lot of hours, it came together like a puzzle, you know? This is why it's so important to make sure when you don't know something that you ask questions, that if you are trying to get your point across, don't so much compromise on it. Say what you want to say and want to portray first, and then hear what someone else has to say, and maybe your mind might actually change a little. But make sure you express what you need to say first, so that it's clear, and then use that as a base, and then kind of go from there and grow it like a tree. Pun intended. I can't wait for this EP. I'm so excited for it. I love this music video. If you haven't already, go and check out Damn. It is amazing. That choreography, top notch. The outfits, like, I love it all. I love it all. I keep saying it, but I'm so excited. Anyway guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my reaction. I know this video is long. Sorry about it guys. But yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video.